Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing the Aspiration Banking app, a financial service focused on sustainable banking and socially responsible spending. If you're considering opening an account, we'll break down its features, benefits, drawbacks, and whether it's the right choice for you. The Aspiration app is designed for users who want to bank ethically while earning rewards for eco-friendly spending. It offers a spend and save account, which combines checking and savings with cashback rewards for purchases at environmentally friendly businesses. Users can also opt for the Aspiration Plus plan, which provides higher cashback rates and a higher interest rate on savings. The app includes a carbon footprint tracker, helping users monitor how their spending impacts the environment. Additionally, Aspiration does not invest in fossil fuels, making it a popular choice for those who prioritize sustainability. One of the biggest advantages of Aspiration is its unique pay what is fair model for the basic account, allowing users to choose their own monthly fee even if it's zero. The app also provides fee-free ATM access at thousands of locations. And with Aspiration Plus, users can offset their carbon footprint by planting a tree with every purchase. The savings account offers competitive interest rates, especially for Plus members, and there are no overdraft fees. The mobile app itself is user-friendly, with easy-to-navigate features for transfers, bill payments, and transaction tracking. However, there are some downsides to consider. Aspiration is not a traditional bank, so cash deposits are not supported. Customer service is primarily online, which may be a drawback for those who prefer phone support. Additionally, while ATM withdrawals are fee-free at select locations, using out-of-network ATMs can result in fees. Some users also find the rewards system to be less competitive compared to other fintech banking apps. Overall, the Aspiration Banking app is a great choice for those who want an ethical banking option with sustainability-focused features. It offers fee flexibility, cashback rewards, and an eco-friendly approach to spending. However, if you need cash deposits or prefer traditional banking services, it may not be the best fit. If sustainability is your priority, Aspiration is definitely worth considering. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.